Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A72S, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open on my screen. Just make sure that on your end the content is visible on the display. So once that's prepared, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the flash and a pop-up right here. And as you've seen, there was a scroll screenshot option and also, I believe it was share, which I didn't read. Yep, share. And after a moment, this just simply disappears. Now, the scrolling screenshot is only accessible in areas where you can actually scroll down. So as an example, Instagram feed or something like settings. And once you press on it, it just starts scrolling down, and you can stop it, scroll down yourself, and capture just a longer version of this of your screen. So it would capture from where you started all the way to however far down you scrolled it down to. Now anyway, going back to the screenshot that I have captured, let's open up our Photos application, and this will display our screenshots somewhere in here. So it looks like they don't show up right at the top, so we can navigate to Library. And in here, you'll have a Screenshots folder. You can click on it, and as you can see, there is the two different screenshots that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.